Are you feeling stuck in life? Do you want to make a positive change and transform your life? In this video, we will share some powerful advice that has the potential to completely transform your life. Get ready to unleash your full potential and take control of your destiny. The first step towards transforming your life is to identify your goals. Take some time to reflect on what you truly want to achieve and where you envision yourself in the future. Setting clear and specific goals will provide you with a sense of direction and purpose. Your mindset plays a crucial role in transforming your life. Cultivate a positive mindset by practicing gratitude, affirmations, and visualization. By focusing on the positive aspects of your life and envisioning your desired future, you will attract opportunities and overcome challenges with resilience. Transforming your life requires taking action. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps and create a plan to achieve them. Consistent and dedicated effort is key to making progress and overcoming obstacles. Remember, small steps taken consistently can lead to significant transformations. To transform your life, you must be open to personal growth. Seek opportunities for learning, whether it's through books, courses, or mentorship. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and continually work on improving yourself. Remember, personal growth is a lifelong journey. Surrounding yourself with supportive and positive people is essential for your transformational journey. Seek out individuals who believe in you and support your goals. Their encouragement and guidance can provide the motivation and accountability you need to stay on track. By implementing these powerful advice tips into your life, you have the potential to experience a remarkable transformation. Remember to stay committed, be patient, and celebrate your progress along the way. Get ready to embrace a life filled with purpose, fulfillment, and success.